In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. By the end, you'll be able to move your spreadsheet data straight into ClickUp so you can manage and track it alongside your projects. Have your Excel file handy, and let's walk through this together at a comfortable pace. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or desktop app. Sign in as you normally would so you land on your workspace homepage. Next, click on your profile icon. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it near the lower left or upper right corner. This opens a menu with your personal and workspace options. From there, click Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage preferences, workspace configuration, and, importantly for today, import tools. Inside Settings, look for Import Export and click it. This is ClickUp's hub for bringing data in or taking it out, and it's the most reliable way to get spreadsheets into your workspace. Now select Spreadsheets. This tells ClickUp you'll be importing data from a file like an Excel workbook. It supports common formats, and this route keeps your structure as intact as possible. Next, select your destination. Choose where in ClickUp you want the data to land, such as a specific list within a space. Pick the place that best matches the kind of data you're bringing in. If you already have a dedicated list for this, select it now so your tasks or items arrive neatly organized. After that, select your format. If your file is a .xlsx Excel file, choose the Excel option. If it's a .csv, choose CSV. If you only have older Excel formats, saving them as .xlsx beforehand can help avoid issues. Keeping column headers clear and consistent in your sheet will also make the import smoother. Once those choices are set, click Continue. This confirms your selections and moves you to the file upload screen. Now click Upload File and locate your file. Browse to where your spreadsheet is saved, select it, and confirm. If your workbook has multiple sheets, it can help to import from the specific sheet that contains the relevant data and to avoid merged cells or hidden columns. Clean, well-labeled columns tend to translate into cleaner results inside ClickUp. That's it. ClickUp will process your upload based on the destination and format you chose. Give it a moment if the file is large. When it's done, your data will appear in the location you selected, ready for you to manage, sort, and track like any other ClickUp items.